Marcela, hope you are well. In today's video we're going to do a cute hairstyle perfect for school or to have all the hair up. Let's start.
Okay guys, I'm going to start this hairstyle by doing a division just in the middle of the head. Now I'm going to comb this section and I'm going to do another division almost from the crown to the ear. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Hold this section of hair at the front, and now we're going to comb the hair at the back and hold this section into a low ponytail. On the other side as well, comb the hair and hold it into a low ponytail. From the front, we're going to hold the hair as well into little ponytails, and we're going to use an elastic band on each one of them. Next, I'm going to grab this ponytail, split it into 3 equal sections, and we're going to hold the strands with an elastic band where we did the ponytail of the opposite side. This is my third section, and I'm going to go ahead and do the other 3 sections as well. When we have them all, we're going to grab the first strand, cross it over, under, and over these sections from the right side, hold it with a bobby pin, and now grab the second one and we're going to cross it under, over, and under the next strand. Hold the hair as well, and this is my last one. Cross it over, underneath this section, and over. Now we can take off these bobby pins and we're going to join them to the ponytail. On the other side, we're going to join the strands to the ponytail as well and hold everything with an elastic. With the remaining hair, we're going to do regular braids of 3 strands. Now hold the hair with an elastic at the end. And do the same thing with the other side. When we are ready, we're going to hold the hair into little buns. I did the left side, and all you have to do is wrap the hair around the ponytail and hold it with bobby pins until it's firm.
Okay guys, this is all for today. We really hope you liked this video. If so, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any video. See you very soon. Bye!
Bye!